Good morning, students. In definite integrals, so let us do few more example problems and some properties are there. So one more example problem. Prove that integration 0 to pi by 4, integration 0 to pi by 4 dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x, b square cos square x is equal to 1 by AB tan inverse of 1 by AB tan inverse of A by B. So we have to prove this. So I am taking the integration here, solution. Given integration 0 to pi by 4, 1 by A square sin square x plus B square cos square x dx. So here numerator and denominator I am dividing by cos square x. So it becomes 1 by cos square x will be secant square x and sin square by cos square x is tan square x, and here cos square x by cos square x becomes b square dx. Okay, right. After that, in this integration I am taking tan x as t. Put tan x as t. Put tan x equal to t by substitution method. So when I am putting tan x equal to t, by differentiating it, you will get secant square x dx is equal to dt. And limits will be, if x equal to 0, if x is 0, then t will be 0. If x is pi by 4, if x is pi by 4, then t limit, upper limit becomes 1. Substitute here, you will get the upper limit. So I am substituting this in this integration. So lower limit will be 0, upper limit is 1. Secant square dx will be dt, and in place of tan I am substituting t. So 1 by a square t square plus b square into dt. Right? Now here I am taking a square outside. 1 by a square I am taking common from the denominator. 0 to 1, it becomes t square plus b square by a square dt. So it is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So using that formula, we will get 1 by a square into 1 by a. So here a is b by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. X means t by a, b by a. 0 to 1. So it will be a by a square b tan inverse at by b. Lower limit 0, upper limit is 1. Now by simplifying here, 1 by ab in place of t I am substituting upper limit. So you will get tan inverse of a by b minus tan inverse of, in place of t if you put 0, tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So 1 by AB tan inverse of a by b. So this is the proof. Now let us write one property, another property. Already 5 properties over. Now 6th property. Property number 6. Property 6. Integration a to b f of x dx. Integration a to b f of x dx. We can write this integration, we can modify this integration as, or you can write this integration as a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So this is the property. Let me prove this property. Okay, proof of this property. So I am putting in place of left hand side, in place of a plus b plus x I am taking u equal to a plus b minus x. By differentiating, du equal to minus dx. So I am substituting in the right hand side integration in a to b. So limits also we have to change. Why? Because I am converting x into u, dx into du. So dx is here minus du. Okay, I am converting x into du at right hand side integration. So limits also. So if x is equal to a, then what is u? Substitute here. A cancel, u will be b. So lower limit becomes b. And if x equal to a, in place of upper limit, if x equal to b, here b cancel, u will be a. So in right hand integration, I am substituting the variables. In place of a plus b minus x, I substituted u, so it becomes f of u. And in place of du, dx, I am substituting minus du, and lower limit is b, upper limit is a. So I converted x variable into u variable. Now taking minus common, it will be b to a, f of u, du. So to remove this minus, I am interchanging the limits again, a to b. By interchanging the limits, minus becomes plus, right? So f of u du. And we know that we can change the variable. In place of u we can write x, in place of x we can write u also. So here f of u du, a to b. So we can write this as a to b f of x dx. Okay. So this is property proof here. Now if in this property one note is there, write this note. Replace a by 0 and b by small a. Replace a by 0 and b by minus a in the above property. So what we will get here, in place of a I am replacing by 0, in place of b I am replacing by a, f of x dx. Right hand side it becomes 0 to a, f of a minus x dx. So if you have limits from 0 to any constant f of x dx, so you can write that constant in place of x as a minus x. You can use this property also. If you have 0 to some constant here, 0 to constant, then you can use this property. Or if you have two limits, you can use this property also, right? Both sides are equal. Now let us do one problem. Another example problem. Evaluate. Another example. Evaluate integration 0 to pi by 4. 1 by sin x plus cos x. 1 by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, what I said, in denominator if you have sin x cos x, we can use tan x by 2, or one more method you can use like this. How we can use here? So what I am doing here, I am multiplying and dividing by root 2 in denominator, 0 to pi by 4. Just I am modifying the denominator. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x dx. So what I am doing, I am multiplying and dividing by root 2 in the denominator. So take 1 by root 2 also, 1 by root 2, 0 to pi by 4, 1 by, in place of root 2 we can write sin pi by 4, here cos pi by 4. So here sin pi by 4 sin x, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, no? So in place of 1 by root 2 again we can write sin pi by cos pi by 4 cos x dx. So sin a sin b plus cos a cos b, that is cos a minus b formula. So by using cos a minus b formula, we can write 0 to pi by 4 here, 1 by cos a minus b, cos of pi by 4 minus x dx. So pi by 4 minus x dx. So using the above property in note, here 0 to 1 constant and here a minus x. So using that formula, using that property, we can write here 1 by cos x alone dx. Why? Because we know 0 to a f of x dx we can write as integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is a minus x form, so I am converting into f of x form. So 1 by cos x integration of 1 by cos x means I am converting this into denominator, numerator. 1 by cos x is secant x dx. So what is secant x integration? Log of secant x plus tan x. So 1 by root 2 integration of secant x log of mod secant x plus tan x, 0 to pi by 4. So I am substituting upper limit 1 by root 2 log secant pi by 4 root 2 and tan pi by 4 1 minus log secant 0 1 tan 0 0 log 1 value 0. So 1 by root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 is the answer. 1 by root 2, so log of root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 is the answer. Okay. Now one more property number 7. Property 7, seventh property. So you remember all these properties, they are very useful while solving the differential integration. Okay. 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a f of x dx, 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x plus f of 2a minus x dx. Okay, this is property number 7. So if you have 0 to 2a, you can write 0 to a f of x f of 2a minus x dx. Okay. Now property 8 here. Property 8. Eighth property. If f of x is even function, if f of x is even function, if f of x is even function, then from negative to positive limits, same limits, f of x dx, you can write as 2 into 0 to a f of x dx, when if f of x is even function. If f of x is odd function, if f of x is odd, then minus a to a f of x dx will be 0. So integration becomes 0 if it is odd function. F of x is odd function, integration becomes 0. So remember these points. One more property, property number 9, ninth property. Property 9. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, then 0 to 2a f of x dx, 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx, f of x dx. Now property 10, another property, property 10, 10th property. So if you have 0 to 2a f of x dx, and in place of x, if you substitute 2a minus x, again you are getting f of x. So you can write that 2 in front of the integration, 0 to a f of x dx. Now property 10. If f of 2a minus x is equal to, if you are getting minus f of x, then you can write 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a f of x dx as 0 directly. Okay, so first of all you have to substitute in place of x 2a minus x, you should get minus f of x, then only we can write the integration. If it is positive, then you can reduce the upper limit, 0 to 0, 2 into integration 0 to a f of x. So these are the useful properties. Okay, 9th and 10th. Now property 11. Property 11, 11th property. 0 to a f of x dx, x into f of x dx. x into f of x dx is equal to a by 2 integration 0 to a f of x dx. If when it is applicable, if f of a minus x is equal to f of x. Okay. Now an example problem. Evaluate integration 0 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cos x dx. So if you have the limits from negative to positive, you have to check the function is even or odd. Okay, then after you can evaluate the integration. So here f of x is x cos x. So I am going to check this function is even or odd. If it is odd, directly you can write integration equal to 0. If it is even, you can change in place of negative limit, you can write 0 to pi by 2. So I am going to check this function is even or not. So in place of x, I am substituting minus x. Here minus x cos minus x. You will get minus x cos x, which is minus f of x. So f of minus x equal to minus f of x means you can conclude that f of x is odd function. Is odd. So if it is odd, then integration becomes 0. So we can write here, therefore minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cos x dx value is equal to 0. Why? Because this function is odd function. Okay, right. Next, one more example. Evaluate minus log 2 to log 2 e power minus mod x dx. So again we have the limits from negative to positive. So here I am going to check this function. Why? Because limit negative to positive. Solution. Here f of x is e power minus mod x. So I am going to check this function is even or not. So in place of x I am substituting minus x, e power minus of minus x, again e power minus mod x. So this is again f of x. So we can conclude that f of x is even function. Even. So if it is even function, in place of lower limit we can keep 0 and in front of integration we will get 2. So integration minus log 2 to log 2 e power minus mod x dx becomes 2 into 0 to log 2 e power minus x dx. E power minus x dx. Why I remove this mod? Why? Because from 0 to log 2 x values are positive, so we can remove the mod. So here the integration of e power minus x, integration is e power minus x by minus 1. So 0 to log. So this will be 2 minus e power minus log 2. E power minus log 2 minus e power minus 0. E power minus 0. Okay. Upper limit minus lower limit. Now here we will get minus 2 of e power minus log 2 becomes 2 power minus 1 by interchanging these two. Base becomes 2 and here log e base e value 1. E power 0 1. E power 0 1. So here minus 2 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 by 2. So that equal to 1. So answer is 1 here. One more example problem. Prove that 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x is equal to pi by 8 log 2. Pi by 8 log 2. Right. So solution here. we have 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x, log 1 plus tan x dx. So I am using this function, this property 0 to a f of x dx. We can write this as 0 to a f of a minus x dx also. You can write f of x dx as f of a minus x dx when if the lower limit is 0, upper limit is any constant. So I am using this property here. So this function we can write as 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. So here by splitting this, by expanding this, log of 1 plus, here I am applying log a minus b, tan a minus b, tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b dx. So it becomes 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Why? Because tan pi by 4 value is 1 dx. 0 to pi by 4. So by simplifying here, log of by taking LCM 1 plus tan x is denominator, and in numerator tan x cancel, you will get 2 dx. So you can write this again. How we can write this? Integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x dx. So by splitting this integration here, 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus dx minus 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x. So see here, again we got the question in this after expanding this. Actually in the first, before starting the problem, we have to take this integral as I. Why? Because already again the question is repeating in this process. So here this is I equal to, we are splitting the question. When we are splitting the question, again we are occurring the question as it is here. So in place of that, I am going to keep I minus I. So bring this I at left hand side. So it becomes 2I. 2I equal to, here log 2 is constant, take outside log 2, 0 to pi by 4 dx. Now integration of log 2. So log 2 integration of dx is 1. Sorry, x 0 to pi by 4. Log 2 in place of x I am substituting pi by 4. And 0 is 0, that's 2I. I equal to what here? Pi by 8 log 2. Pi by 8 log 2 is 1. Okay. One more example. Last example. Evaluate integration 0 to, integration 2 to 1. 2 to 1. 2 to 3, not 1, 3, 2 to 3, root x by root of 5 minus x plus root x dx. So to solve this question, I am using this property 0 to a to b f of x dx. We can write this as a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. I am going to use this property here. So 2 to 3, these are a b, this is f of x, 5 minus x plus root x dx. So what we have to write, in place of x, add these two limits minus x in place of x. So in place of x, I am replacing by adding these two here in numerator, 2 plus 3 minus x by, in denominator also, in place of x, here 5 is there, in place of x, 2 plus 3 minus x plus here also 2 plus 3 2 plus 3 minus x. Okay, dx. Now by applying this property, it becomes integration 2 to 3 root of 5 minus x by root x plus root of 5 minus x dx. Okay, so first of all you have to take the first question. Question I am assuming as I. This is 1. Okay, and same integration it is converted into like this. So I am taking this as 2. So by adding 1 and 2 question, and after modification of this integration I got second equation. Question I am assuming as 1, and after modification I got this, I am assuming it as 2. So adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, what we will get? Left hand side 2i, right hand side we will get 2i is equal to right hand side by taking integration constant, common. Here denominators are same, so numerator becomes root x plus root of 5 minus x by root x plus root of 5 minus x dx. So cancel, both are cancelled. 2a equal to integration 2 to 3, we will get 1 dx. 1 dx. Here 1 dx integration x, limits are 2 to 3. So upper limit 3, lower limit is 2. 2i equal to. So I equal to 1 by 2. So integration value is 1 by 2 here. Okay. So in this way you can solve the exercise problems using these properties. Okay.